Hey guys, electric vehicles are a current wave. OLA's own electric scooters are one of the most eagerly awaited models. Their one and only factory is situated on 500 acres of land at Krishnagiri in Tamil Nadu. The factory claims that it is the largest and most advanced two-wheeler factory in the world. That is why more robots than humans are used in this factory. One of the most important of these are drones known as AMR, autonomous mobile robots. The motor and other parts to be built, etc., will be taken to the trolley behind this robot at the first station. From there, the robot, based on the instructions it receives, delivers the required materials to the hands of the workers working in each assembly, at the right time. These robots are connected to the internet and have the ability to sense any obstacle and avoid it even though the speed is less. By using 600 such robots in OLA's factory, labor charges can be reduced to a large extent. Now let's see how to assemble the battery unit, which is the most important part of the electric scooter. The cells are placed into this visible white plastic frame and a glue is first poured into the frame. It is a type of special glue that is activated by ultraviolet rays. For that UV light hits the entire frame. Meanwhile, the NMC cells to be placed into it will come in batches of 10 via the conveyor belt. Automatic robots pick them up and attach them to plastic frames. Both robots simultaneously produce two frames with 112 cells in each frame. Now press these two halves together to form a battery pack with 220 cells. An aluminum plate is attached to the top of this plastic frame to connect each of these cells. These cells are joined by a wire using a technique called wire bonding. In this way, if there is a problem with any one cell, it is possible to isolate it and prevent an accident. Now this pack will be sealed inside a thick outer case. A battery management system that controls the operation of the battery is also installed and seals the battery pack in such a way that water does not seep inside. So these battery packs are reserved for quality testing. Next comes the construction of the frame of the electric scooter. Parts to be welded on one side of the welding station are being picked up while welding is going on the other side. Here only side half welding is done. From there the frame is taken to the next station and the remaining welding is done. The ready frame and outer body will be taken to the painting shop. There, various colors are applied to the outer body with the help of robots. The frame will be black in color and other finish and close finish tracks are manufactured here. Next comes the final assembly of the scooter. The OLA scooter uses an imported motor. The frame brought from the paint shop is first attached to this motor. The necessary cables for the motor will also be connected and now the battery pack, which has been tested and prepared, is added to it. It is designed in such a way that the battery comes at the bottom of the scooter. After this it is passed through several stations and all the parts of the scooter including handlebars, suspension cables, indicator, outer body panel, wheel, seat are assembled with utmost precision. And finally the logo. Before assembling and rolling out the scooter, a dynamometer checks the quality of the scooter at 1,000 checkpoints including force, torque and power. After that, this scooter will be driven and tested outside. A ready scooter after all the checks must have been stopped at the factory. Charger, helmet and other necessary documents are kept under the seat. After that, it is covered with a plastic cover and loaded inside the trucks. From there it is delivered directly to the homes of those who have already booked. How was factory manufacturing of OLA Scooter?
If you like the
video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.